Due to some sad reasons, we can't bring you the review of Xpeng G6 this week on time. But we did get the big brother of it, Xpeng's flagship, the G9. And here's something I want to show you. You see, nowadays, the shotgun is becoming more and more important in modern cars because the shotgun is most likely ridden by hostess, and the decision of buy a car is most likely made by hostess. So pleasing the hostess by having excellent shotgun is very crucial, and that is exactly what this G9 did. The seat is very comfy, the zero gravity mode really works, and the screen at the front is fantastic to look at. And when you open the sunshade, get your mirror on, it can automatically enter exclusive mode for women putting on makeup. Just look at that. It's all adjustable, all of which are truly impressive. As for the rest of the car, well, there's nothing worth mentioning. It only got 550 brake horsepower for the ability of 0 to 100 in about 4 seconds, a 800 volts architecture for just 480 kilowatts charging power, and 2 LiDAR at the front with, 512 TOPS hash rate for navigator-guided pilot function in cities. From every aspect, the Xpeng G9 is an excellent car. It could totally smash the electric SUV market worldwide. But in China, the sales number go way off their expectation because it has a really badass rival, the Alto L7. If you're very interested in the Alto, my review of the Alto L9 is coming up very soon.